In an industry where everything you need to succeed comes with a large price tag and a generic one-size-fits-all solution, comes a company that thinks outside the box. A company that hires and inspires. A company located right here in North America with a knowledgeable team giving you the best advice to get you back to what you love doing. You are in good hands with TRK Attachments. Our products are solid, and we stand by them with a 2-year limited warranty on every new product we make. We hire only skilled fabricators, and we only use AR400 and T1 steel in critical areas of the attachment. We have a large indoor warehouse with over 3,000 square feet of ready-to-go stock. Plus, ordering directly from the manufacturer means you'll have much better communication with a smaller chance of error. But don't take my word for it. Our customer reviews say it all. Bill Hujdu writes, "Great staff from start to finish. Installed my manual pin grabber on my Cat 322 and it fits and works perfect. Best manual pin grabber on the market and a great price to boot. Got our special order out perfectly and did it in a very timely manner. Thanks for the great job," said Greg German. Great product, excellent service, and customer care. Tech support was excellent. Would recommend them to anyone, says CA Towing. Charlie Lawhan wrote, "This is by far the most impressive tool I have put on my machine. Nothing else compares."